Good morning, everybody. Wow, it's a wonderful day. I actually see some sunlight coming over the trees and the other houses. This is going to be a great day. Yay! Okay, so I wanted to show you a haul that I got in the mail, and I actually waited to open it. Amazing. And so this is from Soft Squares with the pretty hearts and everything. And of course, you're not supposed to look at my address. Okay. I gotta get a grip on that, you know. I'm gonna put a better marker than that. There's one. Yip-a-doodle. There's another one right there. Okay. So we have a box, yippee-doodle. Then we have, I bought some stuff from, I think, Missouri Star last week, and I just didn't have enough energy to make a movie. So today we'll make a movie on that, too. All right, and then I've got some exciting stuff to show you. All right, so let's open this one up. And since I bought this stuff from Soft Squares on their live at 5, I think I bought some more stuff, for goodness sake. So I have to be looking for another package. Okay, craft scissors. Okay. I think I know what's in here. Sure is a nice box for, if it's the little thing I think it is. Maybe they do a lovely job shipping is all I gotta say. Now let's see, this end needs to be undone too. You know, I might have to actually break down and get one of those little slicing tools. You know, like an X-Acto knife, only a little handheld one. And again, it's also wrapped in pretty. Now let's rip that open. Oh boy, I forgot about these. Oh boy. Bobbins, ready to roll. Wow. You know, I bought some of these in an estate sale, 6 months ago, and I used them all up because it was just so easy. As soon as you're playing bobbin chicken, you figure out, oh boy, there we go, we are completely gone. So we stop, we grab one of these out of the drawer, no muss, no fuss, away you go again. This is very extravagant to have pre-wound bobbins. I guess the other option would be just to get one of those little tools, which is a bobbin winder, and do your own 25 bobbins at a whack. But, you know, here's an extravagance I picked out for myself from one of the Live at 5s. It's a good price. Let's see, we can look at the price on actually what it was. What a beautiful ordering information. The pre-wound bobbins were on sale for $15, which I think is a super Dinah whopping price because it has been cost inhibitive for me to purchase them in the past from other stores. So this is a really good deal. $15 for 12 pre-wound bobbins of Wonderfill, which is a better thread than I usually use anyway. So we'll use those. Okay, then the other thing we got was a yard of diagonal leaves. And it's all, you know, double packaged, so in case it gets left in a mud puddle, it's going to come out looking nice. Isn't that lovely? I was thinking this might be a brighter red, but this is perfect. It's like a muted brick red. And you know, that is one of the colors I use a lot. And you may see it in future blocks of this. You can see that would go nicely with those reds right there. And I'm pretty thrilled. I've got that completely done. I decided to use that flowered background. I'm very happy with it. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the Designer Mystery Block of the months, completed and bordered. And I don't know that they're bordered exactly how the instruction says to do it. I may have picked a different color combo with the bordering and the, but it's, it's done correctly in regard to the square and a square corners. We did that correctly. Okay, and then the final thing in this box is, what is it? Oh, confetti cotton panel. This is so when you want to get a fabric that is just the exact shade. A couple of different times I think I have called Lynn or emailed her and said, I need this color. And she had to figure out or guess, and she tries to be helpful and has been exceedingly helpful. But this would be way better because then I could say I need to have confetti cotton crocus or thistle. Those are both colors that Liz Warnke would love because they're in the purple family. Let me get this open. Somehow it's in here pretty securely. There we go. Well, isn't that nice? It's wrapped up in Riley Blake ribbon. And I think you've probably seen these before, right? They're the Riley Blake colors. Boy, there is a lot of different blacks and shadows and grays. Here would be gray, iron, shipwreck, smoke, shadow, charcoal, lead, carbon, blackboard, Riley Blake, pitch black. That's a lot of different blacks. Good gracious. I thought Amish black was pretty profoundly black, but I don't think that's a Riley Blake color. Oh, then let's look at all the purples. Here's purple colors. Starting in the lilac family with Vanity, Riley Lilac, Taffy. Now that looks good. Plum, Unicorn, Iris. Then we get a few pinks, and then now some deeper purples down at the bottom. Amethyst, Grape, Eggplant, Majesty, Sangria, Boysenberry, Dark Purple, and Thistle. Now, if you needed a purple, good grief, you could have a good selection there. And from my understanding is that these are the colors that Riley uses for more than just their confetti cottons. I think it also includes a number of lines of small prints, which I'm not familiar with, but they are available in all these colors. And Lynn at Soft Squares would know all of that. Just she'd know it. So if you have questions about that, please give her a call. Or you could email Mr. Fixit at softsquares.com. So this is one haul I'm very happy about. Yay. Thimbles. Bobbins. Brick red. Another reproduction fabric. I said I wasn't going to buy any more, but I already had purchased that previously and it just got here. And then my tracking sheet for colors and knowing what's available and what specific colors, And then a wonderful shipping list. Let's see what else she sent us. Thank you for your order. Another one of my playing cards. Yay! And they do have 2 openings for the March 31st retreat. I'm going to go to the one in April 7th. And I think that one's sold out. Otherwise, I'd say, come and join me. Because this is my first retreat. I'm going to give it a try and have some fun. And then the Advent boxes, I guess I'm going to have to buy one of those. If they're still available, I'm going to have to call and get one. At least reserve it, right? And then by April, I don't know if I'm going to be ready to commit to Karma Court or not, but I'm sorely tempted. But I have to finalize some of this other stuff, you know. I want to put the binding on my beautiful Paradise. Oh, it's back from Lynn Lockard Quilting. It's gorgeous. I'm afraid, you know, I'm stumbling here trying to say, I want to go get it off of the banister of the stairways because I have an area where I can hang quilts, 4 of them at a whack, you know. And so I want to take it off of there and trim it to size and then figure out which binding I'm going to use. I've got 3 or 4 batiks that I could use. So we have to make that decision. And that's the primary thing I need to actually finish. And then I'm in progress on working on my designer mystery because I want to get that wound up. And that should be wound up pretty soon. I think we're on block 8 or 9 and it goes to 12, you know. So we're close. And the Lamb Farms is only 2 more. So I know I've already talked about this, but okay. So in the Soft Squares pamphlet, there, she's also included a pattern. And I think these are free patterns from that we could normally download and print off, but you know, I don't always take the time to go do that. So it's really nice that you're sending me a pattern. Thank you. Now this one is primarily half square triangles, but they're made out of strips. So each triangle has multiple colors in it. So that would be interesting. I mean, if you're going to have to do a million half square triangles, let's make it interesting, right? And see, so they make strip sets and then cut your half square triangles. That's interesting. That one's sort of a potential. I sort of like that. Well, we'll have to put that on the back burner. Way back there on the back burner. And here's my fabrics. I love my fabrics. And my bobbins, oh boy. So we'll put that box. That was an A+ box of goodies, huh? Now this is an order that I placed with Missouri Star. I think it was probably the last week of December. And they had 2 yard cuts of their solids. I don't even remember what they are. And of course they're solids, and so they don't have a border on them that tells you. I don't think. No. But what got me was that it was a 2 yard cut for like $12, and well, it was probably $12.99, you know, but I don't remember where I put the invoice, so sorry. But $6.50 a yard is pretty good for very good quality solids. And so I got 2 yards of this color called linen. And it's definitely a tan. And I was thinking I would use that for the 9-inch blocks for the applique on Jane Austen. Because I don't want to use white. But I'm still thinking about it. But I think it would go really good. I mean, the big block in the middle is a beige background with a tiny little gingham in the middle, and that it has shades of this color. So, possible. And then I got 2 yards of pale pink, and it's almost a lilac pink. Oh, here it is, Colorworks Premium. Woo! And this is rose water. 2 yards for, like I say, about $12.88, $12.99, something like that. I don't want to open it up. This is one I don't want to open, but I think you can see it. Is there enough shine on there to distract you? It is a rosewater pale pink. Then this one is called Colorworks Premium Scarlet. You know, I don't have very much red. And most of my reds are that brick red. So this is a true red. There. Isn't that lovely? I need these for this, you know, I don't use a whole lot of red, but now and then you need an accent red. And then I got this beautiful Serenity. Maybe I was buying it from the colors. You know, this one's called Scarlet, Serenity, Rosewater, Linen. Maybe I was buying the names of the colors, but this is a pale blue. And it looks more slate on the video than it does in person. This is a true, well, not a baby blue, but definitely a light blue, not gray toned. And it looks a little more gray toned there. Okay, so that's my 1, 2, 3, 4 yards. And you know, there's a navy blue too. I must have put that in another container. There were 5 packets of 2 yards each. And I think it was, like I said, 2 yards for 12 something. So that was pretty decent. So I've got some basics. And now I'm looking, oh, here's the navy blue. What am I, nuts? Here it is. So I'm waiting for the solids sale with Lynn at Soft Squares, because I like to have a bolt of Cloud confetti cotton is my go-to for off-white backgrounds. And so I may have to get a bolt of that. We'll see. Okay, well, that's my haul video for today. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. And I know that some of my subscribers are talking to me about how snowy it is and how they're nearly homebound because of the snow. Well, hang in there and keep warm. Make sure your generator's working. That's all I can say. All right, take care. Bye now.